can see Jakarta, and you can see the other European cities. They use basically, they are very energy efficient. Their per capita energy consumption is less than 20,000 megajoule per person. And in US, it's one of the highest, isn't it? So basically, these cities are energy guzzlers, in my opinion, energy guzzlers. But they can reduce the energy use per capita by integrating. So medium intensity European cities achieve largest energy efficiency gains in comparison to North America, where they are consuming more than 1 lakh megajoule of energy per person. Now, climate mitigation sustainable transport is important. It will reduce the air pollution, it will increase the physical activity, it will reduce the traffic density, traffic injury, free urban road parking to the green spaces, facilities more equitable, access to mobility, easy movement for elderly people, for children and disabled women, disabled persons and women. You see, in Delhi, you will not find even the pedestrian, they are not. They are also occupied by the bikes, by cars, not free. So this will also promote the social cohesion in the local communities. We have basically sustainable goal. We are almost 17. We have to achieve them by 2030. Now the health, if you see the ensure health lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. By 2030, sustainability reduce the number of deaths and illnesses from hazardous chemicals and air, water and soil pollution from the contamination. So now the indicated energy, another goal 7, ensure access to affordable energy, reliable energy, sustainable energy and modern energy for all. And by 2030 we have to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable and modern energy services. How will we achieve? The percentage of population with primary reliance on clean fuels and technology at the household level. And you see the sustainable cities, we have to make the sustainable cities, and this is a goal, 11th goal in SDG, that make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. So by 2030, reduce the adverse per capita environmental impact of cities, including by paying special attention to the air quality, municipal and other waste management. This is very important. We have always seen the air quality in Delhi. It reaches, when the devil November starts after Diwali, the air quality index AQI reaches 500, 500, 600 in Delhi. And what are the impact of this air quality? It's having a very crucial, very big impact on the city. Your 5-star hotels are empty. People are not coming in Delhi because newspapers got over. They say air quality in Delhi is very poor. Don't go to India. Then how was the hospitality sector? Already they were bored from COVID-19 के बाद में all the hotels were closed. So there is bad impact on the hospitality industry. And after that, the air pollution. People are not coming in India. Your foreign guests are not coming. So our hotel occupancy is very, very less in winter. And you remember, no foreign, no European, no foreign, people will come to visit as a tourist in India in summer. Summers are very hot. And winters are polluted. So your hospitality, private sector, increase tourism, increase hospitality industry. How much money they have spent in 5-star hotel? 500 crores in 5-star hotel. And 50% hotel is empty. Because in summer it's too hot and winter is too polluted. So jobs. Hotel industry creates a lot of jobs. And this is having an impact. So this is not only air pollution. If you see the cost of the air pollution is big. It's very important issues to tackle the air pollution from the cities. So community synergy, you can see this physical activity. If you can walk, you can reduce the air pollution. You can see this lady basically, and children, grandmother, she's on the road. So it also increases the social capital, social cohesion in the family. So resilient health and from the air pollution reduction, it will reduce the basically transport, energy, land use policies, will reduce the air pollution, will reduce the climate change and climate change impact also. See this, basically in university and responding to environmental challenges. This is basically the green building, the Adam Joseph Lewis Center for the Environmental Studies, and it is not using any energy from outside. All energy is sustainable from the solar energy, and no zero. It's a net zero building, no emission. So, strategy for action responding to climate change, integrated approaches to science and technology. We have to do this. International cooperation assistance for new technology. Sustainable economic development should be there, but development with human face and sustainable. The role of institutions of higher education like your institutions of higher learning and understanding the sustainability problems for mitigating climate change. And what the India is doing. India has a national action plan for the climate change. We have national solar mission. We have national mission for enhanced energy efficiency. We have national mission on sustainable habitat. We have national mission, national water mission. We have national mission for sustainable Himalayan ecosystem. We have national mission for a green India. We have national mission for sustainable agriculture and national mission for climate change. See this slide. This person is from developed countries and the people are from developing countries or poor countries. They are basically depending on the biomass for cooking in their domestic chullas, Indian chullas. Cutting tree. He is saying we need this tree to protect us from the greenhouse effect. This tree. But how much they are polluting from their big car? You can see. Charity begins at home. So their social justice raises more difficult questions when poverty is there and we are not able to eradicate the poverty around. We can do many things. We can decrease the air travel. We can use the more efficient appliances which use the less energy. We can eat less meats because it's not sustainable. We should not use much more junk foods. We can also delete the junk meals. They also consume a lot of energy. Use cloths, dry your clothes in the sun. In many use solar power, use the wind energy, another. Alternate. In European countries, you visit the European countries, you will find only bicycles. Alternative to fuel, human power. See the climate change, there is no planet B. There is no planet B. And we have to change human, not climate change. And we have to fight for survival. So this is the climate, this is our journey. But you can control the planet. You can control this climate by using sustainable way of life, by sustainable lifestyle. We are made wise, not by the recollection of our past, but by the responsibility of our future generation. So with this all, I thank again. At Colonel Saab for inviting me to discuss that. I'm ready for any question if you want any question on climate change or energy, solar wind. Yes.
Meghalaya is little longer